Now we have x equals -1. So that means that when we have our x and y axis, we're going to put a dot on the -1 that is on the x axis. So I'm going to draw some lines here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. On the other side are my negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4. I'm going to put a dot on the x-axis at -1. Because I don't have any y's, that means that this line is not going to touch the y-axis at all. So my x equals -1 will look like this. This is called a vertical line. Vertical lines go up and down. And you know that it's vertical because if I put another upside down V here, it forms an X. So a vertical line is going to be an X equals line. The slope for a vertical line, this is like if someone wanted to take your height, right? Just by looking at this line, I don't know what the height of it is. So the slope of x equals -1, or the slope of a vertical line, is undefined. That is not the same thing as 0. The slope of a vertical line is undefined. Remember when we had y equals -1? That meant that our line touched the y-axis at -1. So here are my positive numbers, here are my negative numbers. So that means that I put a dot at -1 on the y-axis. That means that it's not going to touch the x-axis at all. The slope of this line, as we discussed before, is equal to 0. 0 and undefined are two different things.